Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sunflower. So we'll sketch it and color it. For that, what you need is your pencil, eraser, your paper and some paint. So let's get started. So I took my paper vertically and then I'm gonna start making the flower in the middle of my paper. Okay, so what you do, you first make a nice and big circle. Very good. And if you don't know how to make a circle, watch my circle video and practice making the circle. Okay, very good. I put the link in the description. Very good. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make the petals here. And for the petals, do not make the petals very fat and thick. Try to make them very thin and make very close to each other. Okay, see how I did closer? So let me show you in detail. What I did here, I made a curvy line which will go up, make a pointy shape, and then you come all the way down here over this part and connect. Can you repeat the same thing all over the place? Okay, try to maintain the same length. Do not make one smaller and one very big large one. So try to maintain the same shape, and while you're coming down, you have to make those petals go down way. Okay, as you go up, you make the petals go upward, and the down is down way. Okay, we are almost done here. This is my last petal over here. All right, very good. But sunflower has some more layers of the petals, right? So what we will do, we'll add some petals in between these gaps we have. So what I'm doing here, I'm making, see, I have started from the side and going up and then come down and connect here. Can you do it again? Repeat one more time. See, but this petal will remain in the same line. Do not make it too longer. You can make just a little bit longer because every petal are not same. So you can make it a little bit longer, but do not make it way too long. Very nice. So you can continue the same thing all around this area. Beautiful, very good. We're almost there, just one more to go. And then if you feel that you need to add more layers, some area you have more gaps. Suppose I have some gaps over this area, so I'm gonna just add maybe 1 or 2 layers over there. Just some areas, not everywhere. This part looks good. Just try to look at the place. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's all. Now we will make the stems here. And for the stem, I'm starting from over here. Make a curved line, come down to the bottom of your paper, then do the same thing on the other side and bring it down over here. Okay, very good. Now if you want to make a leaf here, for that you make a curvy line which will go toward the right side. Okay, then I'll start from here. Do not start from here. Start from here at the middle and then go toward the right side, and from here you go and connect this line. Okay, I know it looks a little complicated but if you want, I'm just gonna add one leaf here. If you have more space, you can add more, but yeah, that's all I'm gonna do here. And I will add some more leaves in the back. So I'm adding one leaf over here, but that's, if you see, this is different direction than this one. This one is going down, this one is going the side way. Okay, and one more over here. Make one line inside. So for the coloring, what you need, a brush and use some watercolors. So you need yellow, your orange, brown, black. Okay, so you need 4 colors for your sunflower. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'll start adding the water over here. So I'll add the entire sunflower, add the water, and make sure when you're going adding the water inside the petals, especially the edge, you have to be a little more careful so it does not go too much outside. A little bit outside is okay. Okay, you can just go all over this place. Add the water. Very nice. Beautiful. But do not add the water inside the circle or inside the leaves. Okay. Very good. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my yellow and then add the color to each of my petals. Very good. Take lots of color, okay? And go a little careful during the edge. Very nice. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any video which I upload every week. Okay, so please do hit the subscribe button. Okay, very good. So see, I'm using plenty of yellow, so make sure you have a lot of yellows ready for your sunflower color. Okay, so add plenty of yellow, and then I'm almost done. Now I'm gonna apply my orange. So this is looks with the yellow. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little bit of orange and then only apply very close to that middle part. Okay, so I'm just making one line with my orange. Take a lot of color in your brush. Make sure you have a lot of colors in your brush, and then you can just go inside and then color the orange, and you can just blend them in a little bit. If there is any small lines, that's okay. Perfect, beautiful, very good. Now you can wash your brush and take your brown. So what I'm gonna do with the brown is apply the brown inside. Make sure if your color is very wet, you don't add it right away. See, I'm just applying the brown all around here. That's it. Very good. And you can take a little bit of black and apply some black inside, just a little bit, tiny bit of black. Very good, good job guys. And for the stems, what you're gonna need is your dark green and light green. Okay, so stem and the leaves. Now you're gonna take your light green first and apply the light green over here. So my light green is kind of a little bit darker. So if your green is a little lighter, that's also okay. And then I'm gonna apply the same color inside the leaves as well. And please let me know how you're liking those videos. I know some people cannot comment on my videos, so you can just give it a thumbs up if you like it, right? Yeah, it's because this is a very new channel and I'm making those videos for you guys. So definitely that's give me a lot of inspiration. If you like those videos and leave the comments, I know a lot of lovely people are leaving the comments, but yeah, thank you. Okay, so I'm done here and I will apply the same green on the other side. Very good. Beautiful, very nice, good job. Now I'm gonna take you don't have to wait until this part get dry. You can just take a little bit of dark green and then add that dark green some area, not all over the place, some areas. You can just, it's totally optional. If you want to skip this part, definitely you can skip this part. Alright, so we're done with our sunflower. So let me know how you like this video and I'm gonna see you in my next episode. Bye bye. Hey guys, don't forget to like the channel, share the video and subscribe the channel.